Our next stop, and we're just going to film this out of the car, there really isn't a good place to stop, is a restored Phillips station, Phillips 66. We are in Cuba, Missouri, and we're making our slow and steady pace that will eventually find us in Illinois, probably at sunset. So here you go, and we'll see what's next. Our next stop of the day is in Mount Olive at Soulsby Service, which is a restored little station. I see the sign to the right. I'm going to walk over here and have a look. This is a very, very popular spot for our Mother Road enthusiasts to take pictures. According to the sign, Russell Soulsby built this station with his father Henry and ran it with his sister Ola from 1926 to 1991. And they only sold shell, they didn't sell anything else. Now the Soulsby Station Society, in partnership with the Route 66 Corridor Preservation Program, etc., etc., has paid for the restoration grant in 2009 in memory of the Soulsby family. So they do have a website and all that stuff if you want to donate. If you like that kind of stuff, I am going to sit back in the car because I'm running out of steam. I bought yet another big cup of coffee because I am really dragging today. So I know we have a stop we're going to look for in Litchfield. We're going to see if we can find it. Another one of these historical stop type places. So we'll see what's next. Our next stop, about 5:35 in the afternoon on May the 15th of 2023, finds us in Litchfield, Illinois, and we are at the ever so famous Ariston Cafe. This was built in 1924. Honestly, I don't even know if it's open. But, well, they have hours on the window, so God only knows. They're certainly not open right this second. The lot looks like it's in good shape. And of course, everybody has got some type of 66 something. So, Ariston Cafe, Litchfield, Illinois, here you go. We're almost done. We'll see what's next. Our next stop of the day, still in Litchfield, Illinois, finds us at the Skyview Drive-In Theater, a particularly famous place, and one of, if not one of the last remaining active operating drive-thrus on the drive-ins on the Mother Road. Here is our sign. Looks like it's still open, May 19th and 20th, Fast and Furious and Renfield, whatever that is. So here's the rest of our ever so scenic, ever so flat Midwest. At least the flatness in California, when you're in the Central Valley, you usually see some type of hill or mountain to the east or the west, and then eventually the north and the south. But here's your 360. We're gonna make our next stop at the Cozy Dog. So we'll see what's next. I thought I'd walk over for you youngins that have never seen the drive-in. You park your car, you put the speaker up, that they probably do Wi-Fi or something else like that now. And then you see the screen and they show the movie on the screen, and you sit in your car or you back your pickup truck or your wagon so you can sit in the bed or look out the back. This is a pretty inexpensive way for families. My brother's mother took us all to Mark and George's mom, Shirley. I remember this. We went to, I want to say we saw Diamonds Are Forever at the drive-in. That's a long time ago. So now we're going to go to the Cozy Dog. I gotta say, Illinois really marked the 66 much better than Missouri did. Way to go, Illinois. Our next stop of the day, and our last except for the hotel, finds us at the Cozy Drive-In, which is in Springfield, Illinois on the Mother Road. And the thing about the Cozy Drive-In is that in 1946, the guy that runs this, and I'll get the name and all that, I'll either text it or we'll talk inside, invented the corn dog. Now, those of you who know me and have watched my nonsense for a while know that when we were in Flag City, we started endless drives and even rides now. Certainly when I still lived at Shady Pines. Stopping at Flying J for gas, filling up my cups, and corn dogs. So we are going to go into the Cozy Dog right now. Oh God, I can't even point at myself. What a maroon. So we're gonna walk here. Oh, and you know, jackrabbit, there's a jackrabbit up here. I just saw it. 1,382 miles. Hold on, let me walk up here. I know you guys just love when I sit and talk. Everywhere on the Mother Road, the jackrabbit. There you go. We were at the Jackrabbit about 2 or 3 days ago, so.
Oh, yeah.
And now let's
look at. Is this your first time here?
Here, yes it is.
Are you doing the whole Route 66 thing?
My brother picked me up in Flagstaff about 3 or 4 days ago, so.
Okay.
I've done most of it over my lifetime.
Yeah.
But I haven't been right here.
Okay.
And then we're driving up to Chicagoland tomorrow.
Okay.
So we're going to probably take the older road to about Joliet.
Yeah.
And it's my understanding, and if I'm wrong here, I'd love some help, that roughly about Joliet it just turns into Chicagoland.
It kind of does.
And so I'm not wrong here.
Yeah, no.
Here's the inside of the Cozy Dog as we're in line to have our order taken. You see the gals here with their backs into us working feverishly on the food. And they're getting their orders taken. You see a lot of the 66 Mother Road stuff. Everybody on the road is certainly using it as a selling point. But we are here because of the corn dogs. We are going to try them. So we'll see what's next. This is Robert Waldbeer, or the inventor of the corn dog. The man, the myth, the legend, the icon. He's why we're here. We've made our pilgrimage to the promised land, to the home, to the birthplace of the corn dog. My order is in. And when I get it, you'll see it. It's holy and sacred of all that there is. Here's my order: two corn dogs, tater tots, coleslaw, a drink for under $15. So here you go. My first impression of the corn dog is that it's very, very good. It's not greasy, but you know it's fried. The dog itself is good. The coleslaw is good. And tater tots, how can you go wrong with tater tots? So my view of the mother lode holy grail of corn dogs at the Cozy Dog is absolutely 10/10. Would do it again. Our closing shot of the day finds us at the Fairfield Inn in Springfield, Illinois. While we were at the Cozy Dog, a local couple we started having a little chit chat with, and I guess her nephew is in the Marines, and so, you know, my goddaughter's in the Marines, and she suggested that we go by some of the Abraham Lincoln stuff. It sounds like his grave is here. I'd like to see that. And the Lincoln house where he lived, and there's a museum and stuff that we're going to probably bypass because, you know, we are on a timetable. And there is other stuff to see, and, you know, bluntly, if I was taking 4 weeks to do this, I'd go to the museum, but, you know, it's like 4 or 5 days, and, you know, we can't see everything. So, we've checked in, or we're checking in. This is our closing shot, over 400 miles. You know, we get up, we get to it, we get to the hotel, we pretty much we're done. So, no lollygagging when my brother drives, that's for sure. I could never do this driving myself. I'd be off the road by 3 or 4 o'clock lying down. But my brother, God love him, has got stamina still. So this will be the closing shot for today. And we'll certainly start another one tomorrow. This is Joe, as always, your host of Life with Yosef. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Peace be with you. And we'll certainly see you for tomorrow's episode.